Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today's video is going to be a job recruitment opportunity. So before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobker for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker or you are a student, then this will definitely gonna help you in searching a job, as we upload videos on daily basis for different job opportunities and placement preparation. So this will definitely the right place you are. So please like, share and subscribe to Jobker and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So, with that note, let's move further with the video. So, Deloitte is hiring for EERM consultant. So, basically, EERM is the abbreviated form of Extended Enterprise Risk Management Associate. So, they are hiring for EERM Associate Solution Advisor or Solution Advisor, and the location for this will be Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and Bangalore. So, let's move with the opportunity. So, at risk intelligence EERM, the key responsibilities will be to perform data analysis on large quantity of software licenses, review for software vendors, and analyze variety of data and build reports to recover lost revenue within the software space, and check the accuracy and completeness of data received from customer and request for missing information, and work with the Deloitte teams, US and member firms to create reports as per their requirements and demonstrate commitment and focus on quality of deliverables, and demonstrate flexibility to work for extended hours to complete high priority deliverables, and strong analytical and problem solving skills required with preferred knowledge of analysis tools such as advanced Excel, Access and SQL. And you need strong communication skills with an ability to interact with global teams. Okay. So this is all you need to do. These are the responsibilities as an EERM associate, and software license compliance. So as part of SLC, they focused on accessing customers adherence for to software licensing agreements and contract as a part of worldwide licensing calibration program, and obtaining an accurate count of vendors software development in customers IT environment as compared to the total number of license entitlements owned, and to increase awareness among customers of their entitlements under the terms of their vendor software license. So these all are the things you will required. Okay, so let's see the qualification required to apply for this job. So all the BTech, MBA and MCA graduates can apply for the job. Okay, and if you have 0 to 2 years of experience, then also you are eligible, and they have not written in what field the experience they want. So if you have worked in 0 to 2 years in any field in any company, so you can apply for this job. You are eligible. Your experience should not extended more than 2 years. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that. And also they have not mentioned any batch criteria, so all the BTech, MBA and MCA graduates, despite they are from any batch, you can apply for the job. Okay, you are eligible for the job. Now, preferred key skills required are ability to prioritize tasks, work on multiple assignments, and manage ambiguity, and ability to work both independently and as part of a team with professionals at all levels, and good communication and interpersonal skills, strong Microsoft Excel, Access skills, and SQL skills would be preferred, strong analytical and ability to think out of the box, and uses of SAM tools like SCCM and Flexera and Snow preferred, and knowledge around software licensing for vendor preferred, and good knowledge of operating systems, servers, hardware environments, and software licensing, etc. Okay, so these skills will be preferred for you. Now they have given some recruitment tips which you can check by clicking on this link, and benefits which you can check by clicking on this link, and you can know the Deloitte culture by clicking on this link. So these all are the things you can check it out if you want. I will provide this link in the description box, so if you want, you can go through with this. And if you are one from BTech and one of the eligible candidate, then you can apply for the job. This link will be in the description box. You need to go here on apply now button and complete your application and submit it. And for further process, company will coordinate to you through your email ID. So just be active on the email ID from which you have registered for this job. Okay, so this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates in future. And also you can hit the bell icon, and also you can follow us on Instagram. And if you have any query, you can comment that, so I will be really happy to help you. So this is all for today's video, guys. I'll be coming back with such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.